Hey, welcome back. We're in Leicester, North Carolina today, and we're going to be cleaning this house. We're going to be doing a soft wash on the vinyl siding, get rid of all that black mold and mildew. We're going to clean the gutters. We're going to also do a roof wash. But you can see this house really does need a good soft washing. And we're going to clean the decks. We're going to make this house look beautiful again. Alright, this is Chris with WNC Pressure Washing. We're back and we got everything cleaned. Got all the mold and mildew off of the house, the gutters. You see a big difference back here. How much more clean and pleasant the house looks as cleaned. And here's the back side. There's a lot of mold and mildew on here. It's all clean. If you like to get your house this beautiful, call the professionals at WNC Pressure Washing, 828-331-8118, or visit our website at wncpressurewashing.com.